Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I am going to talk about the most fundamental concept in Java, that is inheritance. Inheritance is a way for a class to acquire the properties and methods of another class. This allows the hierarchical organization of classes uh, in such a way that if there is a parent class, it can inherit its characteristics onto the onto its one or more child classes. So parent classes are also called as superclass or base class, whereas child classes are also known as subclass or derived class. But why this inheritance is so important in Java? First and foremost, it allows code reusability, meaning we can use the same code multiple times. Also, this makes our code more readable and efficient and organized. Also, this inheritance allows a better abstraction and encapsulation by hiding the implementation details behind a common interface. So there are several types of inheritance. So we'll talk about them one by one. First, there is single inheritance. This is the most basic inheritance of all the types. It states that there is only one superclass from which the subclass will inherit its properties and methods. Next, we have multi-level inheritance. In this, we have one superclass, and we have a subclass which inherits its properties and method from superclass. But this subclass also have a subclass which inherits its properties from those. So this makes a chain of inheritances. Next, we have hierarchical inheritance. This states that we have one parent superclass and from which we have multiple subclasses which are inherited. We have also multiple inheritance and the hybrid inheritance, which are not supported by Java, but we can achieve these two by using the combination of inheritances and by using some common interfaces. So as these are not a part of Java, we won't cover these two topics. So let's understand inheritance by an example. Imagine you are building a sports simulation application in which your application supports different types of sports like football and American football and rugby. So first we will create the superclass. We will name it as sport. As sport, it can be a superclass. In superclass, we will have some properties which are common to all sports. Like we will use the methods like start game and end game and score. So these were the common properties and we saved them in the superclass so that we don't have to use them again and again. And now we will create subclasses for each and every sports. Like we will create a subclass for soccer, we will create a subclass for American football and rugby, which have their own unique properties. So by this we can use inheritance. How we can use this inheritance and how we can connect these two files. So we can connect these two files by using the keyword extend. So that was all from my side. Let's conclude this video with a summary of this whole video. In short, all we can say that inheritance is one of the most important aspects of Java programming. It helps our code more readable and maintainable. And understanding this concept is very important as a Java developer. So that's all from my side. I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.